received. And he is, of course, the second one to get the bronze along with Manu Bhakar. So, and now, today, as we speak, there is a third bronze medal that India has clinched. Another podium finish for India at Paris. Swapnil Kusale winning the third medal. And that is the big update we have. This is in 50-meter rifle, 3 positions event, third medal for India. You know, viewers, he has been, waiting for this moment, be it from the CWG, be it the Asian Games. There has been quite a lot of struggle for Swapnil Kusale, who hails from Maharashtra. And he has been, of course, eyeing this spot in Olympics. And, of course, he has been toiling hard for that. He has worked as a ticket collector. You know, he's spoken many times how his journey actually becomes very similar to that of former Indian cricket captain MS Dhoni. His mother is a village sarpanch. He hails from a village in Maharashtra, and both his parents have been teachers also. Now we have, after Sarabjot Singh, Manu Bhakar, Swapnil Kusale getting a shot at the medal now, getting us, hitting the bull's eye there, making the 3-position final. And this is the first time, remember, any Indian has qualified for this event, for men's 50-meter rifle position. This is the first time that any Indian actually qualified for this final. And he not only qualified, but he also has clinched that medal. You can see that the grand welcome for Sarabjot Singh after they return, bringing laurels to the nation, bringing a medal. And Sarabjot Singh, who hails from Haryana's Ambala, he will be meeting the Chief Minister very soon today, as per our information, and he will be felicitated by the government as well. So, you viewers, we are getting more and more updates, and of course, there are many important events lined up today as far as the Olympics is concerned. In badminton, there is a very interesting matchup today between HS Pranoy and Lakshya Sen. They will be battling it out for the quarterfinals berth. There is also, of course, a PV Sindhu who has made it to the quarterfinals. So there are a lot of medal hopes, Deepak, coming in for the country. Last time around, India clinched 7 medals. They want to do it better this time. Shooting has been an important part as far as the contingent is concerned. It is the strongest ever shooting contingent, the strongest ever shooting team that India has ever sent. It's almost a 21-member team that India has sent this time around, and they have not at all disappointed. Of course, everybody will want that the color changes, that India clinches the silver and the gold medal like we did in the previous Olympics via courtesy Neeraj Chopra in athletics. But of course, the athletic events are also lined up. The athletics schedule has also kick-started for India in Paris. But this time around, it's the shooters at least who have opened the account for... let's take a listen, in fact, viewers. Well, you can see the dhols and the nagaras all welcoming our champion Sarabjot Singh, who has returned from Paris, and it's of course a very rousing welcome for him from the fans, from his family, from his friends, and of course people from the NRAI. You can see how he was lifted there, and everybody is in a celebratory mood, and why not? Sarabjot Singh has done us proud. He's just 22 years old, and he held his nerves in that event we saw in that final, along with Manu Bhakar, who of course has clinched 2 medals for India. And this is the third medal viewers. So Swapnil Kusale has just, that's the breaking news we are bringing to you right now. Swapnil Kusale has bagged the bronze for India.